Hello friends, I, Sandeep Raste, Assistant Professor in Department of Electrical Engineering, AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Topic is Sources of Electrical Circuit. Sources are classified into two, voltage source and current source. Voltage source again classified into two, that is ideal voltage source and practical voltage source. Similarly, current source having two classification, ideal current source and practical current source. Let's see one by one. So ideal voltage source is nothing but constant voltage source. This is an symbol for DC ideal voltage source, and the constant voltage characteristics shown here. A voltage source such as battery or generator provides a potential difference or voltage between 2 points within an electrical circuit, allowing a current to flowing around it. So this is an AC voltage source symbol and characteristics. Next one is ideal current source. Ideal current source symbol for DC. Characteristics constant current source. A current source is an active circuit through element that is capable of supplying a constant current flowing to a circuit regardless of the voltage developed across its terminal. Internal resistance of current source is infinite. It is connected across or parallel to the current. Next one is practical voltage source. So voltage source having internal resistance R, the value of R is minimum. So this dotted line shows the ideal voltage source characteristics, and this characteristics shows practical voltage source. So difference between ideal and practical source is nothing but voltage drop across this resistance. This is an VI characteristics. A real or practical source supplies its rated voltage when its terminal are not connected to a load, that is open circuited, but its voltage drop off as the current its supplies increases, but its voltage drop off as the current its supplies increases. We can model a practical voltage source using an ideal voltage source versus in series Vs in series with an internal resistance R. This is Vs and internal resistance R. It is connected in series. So this symbol for practical voltage source. Next, practical current source. A practical current source supplies its rated current when its terminal are short circuited, but its current drops off as the load resistance increases. If load resistance increases, current drop off. So this is an symbol for practical voltage source. RP are connected across the current source. I0, that is output voltage, is nothing but supply current, output current equal to supply current minus IR. We can model a practical current source using an ideal current source in a parallel with an internal resistance RP. This internal resistance RP. So this is an characteristics of ideal current source, and this is practical current source. So difference between these two is current IR. IR is nothing but V out upon RP. VI characteristics. Thank you.